Hello, welcome back to MFWoodShop. Today I'm in my living room next to my computer desk and it's time to do something with this closet. My wife keeps throwing stuff in this closet and I keep throwing stuff in this closet, and there's stuff in that closet that just needs to be thrown away and overall organized. So that's what we're going to do today. Alright, so the closet's done. I think it's about the best organization that I can come up with. My wife's already filled it up with a bunch of stuff that we don't need, and I do have room for, I don't know, 10-15 coats in here, and then really just more or less storage than anything. So it all worked out pretty well. The closet's only a little over 4 foot wide, so I didn't have a whole lot of room to play with, and it's only, I think it was like 38 inches deep. So the shelving is about 15 inches deep, and then it pretty much just gives you enough room to do what I did. I think I utilized the space best to my abilities, and this is what I come up with. So I hope you enjoyed that project, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you later.